Somebody said it really well, that most problems are solved in the mind, not at the keyboard. Because it's the way we think and approach a problem that matters, and what makes us a programmer, not the skill, title or the profession itself. Hi, my name is Arun, and in this video we will see more than 20 free online course websites to help you learn coding and a few other resources and recommendations to keep you aligned to this exciting journey. And if you learned something from this video, please hit that like button so it can reach more people. Now let's get started.
Number 1. Bento.io. Bento claims that anyone can become a self-taught developer. True to its bold promise, they have curated list of tracks and topics that can help any budding programmer. Many tutorials on Bento are part of a track designed by professional developers. Every track covers a single topic such as HTML, JavaScript or algorithms. Once you are in their website, you can either click on tracks or topics. With tracks, you can get targeted resources for a specific language or a learning path. And with topics, you can filter out which topics appear using the show only filters. Most of their pages also guide us through what to learn next, so we are not left in the dark after learning through a couple of tutorials. Use these login buttons so you could track and save your learning goals. Number 2. Code.org. This one is pretty straightforward. Once you are here, sign up with your email address. Once you are in, click on Find a Course button under My Courses. Click on any of these depending on where you want to begin. If you are a beginner, I highly recommend enrolling into their free courses listing. Harvard CS50 class available at edx.org. CS50 is Harvard's largest course and freely available to anyone. And that will take us to our next website in the list. Number 3. edX, an online learning resource with real college courses from Harvard, MIT and other world's leading universities. Once you are at edx.org, put your mouse cursor over Courses drop-down and choose Computer Science. Obviously, you can choose what you want here, but sticking with this video's purpose, let's click on Computer Science. These are broad categories, so click on whatever interests you here. Choose what you want here and click on Enroll Now button, then choose a goal for yourself. Whether you want to earn a certificate, complete the course or explore the course and start learning with full focus. These are pretty strong courses with inbuilt quizzes to enforce deep learning. 3A. MOOCs. Speaking of EDX, I also wanted to give a special mention to MOOC.org, which is an extension of edx.org. Massive open online courses, or simply MOOCs, are free online courses available for anyone to enroll. Once you visit mooc.org, click on Browse Course Topics menu, and you will get a la carte of course names that you can pick and choose from. This again leads us to EDX. Number 4. FutureLearn. There is a dedicated IT and computer science courses which helps us to learn to code and explore programming, tech trends like data science and digital marketing. Their courses are subcategorized into beginner and advanced level courses led by leading tech experts. If you are a polymath, no problem. FutureLearn offers beyond just IT and computer science subjects. Number 5. SparkNotes. Now this website doesn't offer full-fledged courses but definitely aids in our knowledge retention with companion texts, infographics, quizzes and other supplementary information. What SparkNotes is really good at is simplifying concepts in a simple language. Although it has a very humble collection of learning aids for computer science, it has various other subjects that cannot be ignored. Here's an example to learn some basic commands in C++. Let's get into other subjects. Computer science, basic commands in C++, and here you go. Don't forget to occasionally also entertain yourself with posts such as this. Number 6. Free Code Camp. Their objective is pretty clear at the outset, to enable us to learn to code for free so we can build projects. This can easily become your favorite place to learn if you visit daily to practice coding here and follow their guidance. They have a set of course certifications given in order. Each shows an estimate of hours needed to complete. You could start learning, but practice can only take it forward. Free Code Camp's courses are all well organized, so all you will need is to just sit back, relax and practice coding. Remember to sign in to save your progress. Number 7. Fiddles. The next on the list is not exactly an online course platform but a curated list of online coding practice platforms, also known as Fiddles. You can find Fiddles for almost every popular language here. All you have to do is choose your language and simply click on its Fiddle button, and that takes you to its coding playground. Number 8. KhanAcademy.org. This list of free online course platforms cannot be complete without mentioning Khan Academy. One of the pioneers in starting this online learning revolution, they have a humble collection of courses with inbuilt fiddles, quizzes, and other organized learning aids. After you visit, click on courses and choose computer programming or computer science or see all computing. Number 9. Tuts Plus. This contains a list of short courses that help you develop a specific skill, like learning how to build a contact form for a website from scratch or building an email validation system. From coding and web design to photography and illustration designing, it's all in here. Number 10. Coursera. Apart from providing 100% online degrees and certificates, Coursera also has a bunch of free targeted courses to anyone's liking. In this demo, I filtered to show computer science related courses that are completely free to take. As you can see, these are sourced and curated from top universities around the world. All that we need is time to spend on these online learning gems. Number 11. Class Central. Class Central is a curator of online courses available that are gathered from various other websites. The best part is that you can find free courses by your language too. It has a rich collection of neatly organized sets of courses. Just choose your favorites and get going. Number 12. Udemy. Although Udemy is known for many discounted courses and learning programs, they also have a huge collection of free quality courses that could keep you busy for next several years. Simply use their filters to find a free course in your field of study and start learning. Number 13. Learn Digital with Google. With their digital unlocked courses, Google has done its part in curating quality courses in data and tech. Just filter them out here to find relevant courses created by Google and other universities and learning platforms. Number 14. Open.edu. Anyone can learn for free on OpenLearn, but signing up will give you access to your personal learning profile and record of achievements that you can earn while you study. Although Open.edu doesn't have full courses, they do have an interesting set of courses that are free and quite deep in its content. Number 15. W3schools.com. This is quite famous and you might already know this, but definitely deserves a place in this list. It's an information website for web developers and contains references and tutorials on CSS, HTML, jQuery, PHP, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java, and much more. Don't forget its dedicated exercises section that has numerous exercises for any programming language, which you might as well be already learning from any other online learning platforms. This can help solidify your learning with more practice sessions. For what it's worth, they also started a paid courses section recently, which is worth a try if you have enough sponsors paying for your education. Number 16. Tutorialspoint.com. With 14 years of accumulated lessons on multiple disciplines, Tutorials Point has fantastic and resourceful study sections on many technologies. Once you're here, click on Categories, choose what you want to focus on, and start learning. While you're here, don't forget to bookmark their development tools page here that has a collection of tools for software professionals. Number 17. Teachable Discover. This is kinda hidden gem that won't often show up in search results for other queries in your typical Google searches. When you directly come to this location, you can find either free or discounted for a limited time gems to quickly sign up and add to your teachable online course collections. That's how I found some of these shown here. Especially at Code College, you can get some really good ones. Number 18. Code Academy. There are some basic level courses that are beginner friendly available at Code Academy. You will find a few other pro plan courses that are not free, but here are some courses to get you started in your learning path. Number 19. Allison. Allison provides over 17 million students worldwide with free online learning through interactive courses for basic education and workplace skills training. With Allison's 3000 plus totally free online courses, you can learn anywhere at your own pace. You could search by course categories or course types. If we want to learn the technologies, then IT would be a good fit. Number 20. Noteworthy YouTube favorites. Here's a collection of my favorite channels from great programmers who have taught millions of people worldwide with their free videos on their YouTube channels. In no specific order, please visit them and subscribe to all of these great teachers. Hitesh Chowdhury, The New Boston, Traversy Media, and Programming with Mosh. Number 21. Technology Namesakes. Now this one is not exactly a website, but I just wanted to tell you that whatever programming language you would like to learn, simply go to its dedicated namesake website. What I mean by that is, for instance, Angular has angular.io, PHP has php.net, Golang has its golang.org. You get the idea. If you don't know which website to look out for, simply search the language in your favorite search engine and it shows you its namesake websites. And finally, here are some honorable mentions that are niche specific resources. Number 1. Learn Ruby for free. This link here has a free version that can be read online. Go check it out. Number 2. Startups.com. Strictly not about coding, but I expect you to grow in coding skills someday and start your own company. And yes, this startups.com website educates budding entrepreneurs. There are great books that I can make a separate video to enlist, but I added this site to this list so it may help you learn some basic approaches in starting your own company someday in the future. Number 3. MIT OpenCourseware. MIT OpenCourseware has great collections of audio, video lectures, online textbooks, supplemental resources, and many more resources in their open learning library. The MIT Open Learning Library is home to selected educational content from MIT OpenCourseware and MIT X courses, available for free to anyone in the world at any time. All said and done, always remember that as with any skill, programming gets better with practice. Please don't fall into the rabbit hole of just watching learning videos and reading books, but also practice what you learned so you could create something of value for the mankind. I hope you liked this video. If so, please spread the love by sharing this video with others. Also, please hit the like button so this video can reach more people. Thanks for watching. Bye.